Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to Social Studies class. This is chapter 7, Saudi Arabia, part 4. So this is our last session on this chapter. Let's have a quick recap about what we studied in our previous class. We studied about the traditional people of Saudi Arabia. Do you remember, children? Yes, traditionally the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads, moving from one place to another place. They are called as Bedouins, and the main occupation is rearing cattle. They move from place to place in search of pastures for their flocks of goats, sheep and camel. They live in tents made of animal skin. They sell animals and animal products at marketplaces in villages and buy food grains, dates and other things. The lifestyle of the Bedouins is also changing now. More and more of them are beginning to settle down in one place and use jeeps and cars for moving around. We also studied about industries in Saudi Arabia. Several large industries have been set up in this country. Some of these are petroleum refining, iron and steel, cement and fertilizers industries. This has further increased the wealth and prosperity of the people. Now let us see about the religious importance. Now apart from all of these, Saudi Arabia has religious importance. The religion Islam was founded in Saudi Arabia by Prophet Muhammad. Now on the screen we can see the image of Mecca. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Mecca, which is the most important pilgrim center for them. So this is Mecca. Now this is one of the most prominent pilgrim centers for Muslims. You can see there are thousands and thousands of Muslims who have flocked to render their prayers here. Can you all see, children? Yes. So this is the holy place of the Muslims. Apart from this, there is another very prominent place for Muslims. That is, which place, children? Yes, that is Medina. Okay. Medina is another important religious center in Saudi Arabia. So, when you see Medina, it is another important pilgrim center for Muslims. So, two iconic pilgrim centers are present in Saudi Arabia. Children, here we end with our lesson. Let's summarize the chapter. So children, points are there on the screen. I want you all to read along with me aloud. Okay? Most of Saudi Arabia is a hot and dry desert. Only cacti and some shrubs grow in the desert. The land around oasis is used for agriculture. Saudi Arabia is a rich country because of vast deposits of petroleum. Saudi Arabia has modern cities, but the society is traditional. The nomads of Saudi Arabia are called Bedouins. Mecca and Medina, the two important Muslim religious centers in Saudi Arabia, are visited by millions of Muslims every year. Okay? Now children, let us see new words of this chapter. Okay? Words to remember. So the first one here we have is dune. I had already explained the term, children. Small hills of sand that keep shifting due to the strong winds. Okay? Petroleum. Oil found under land or sea used to make petrol, diesel, kerosene and many other products. That means petroleum is a kind of a oil that is found under the land or sea. Okay, and it is used to make different products such as petrol, diesel, kerosene and many other products. Next here we have is Bedouins. Nomadic Arabs living in the desert in tent are called as Bedouins. Oasis, a fertile area formed in the desert by underground water that comes to the surface, that is called as oasis. Okay. Now let us discuss few objectives. Okay. So question number 1, we have multiple choice questions. Okay. So children, you have to read along with me and you have to tell the correct answer. Shall we start? Are you all ready? Okay. Number 1, Saudi Arabia is a rich country because dash. And options are here. A, it has a very fertile land. B, it has huge industries and exports several products. C, it has large deposits of petroleum which are exported. And D, a large number of tourists visit the country every year. So children, tell me which is the correct answer. Yes, B is the correct answer. No, B is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. Okay, that is Saudi Arabia is a rich country because it has large deposits of petroleum which are exported. Correct? Fine. Question number 2. The official religion of Saudi Arabia is dash. Yes. Very good. Let me read all the options, children. A. Hinduism, B. Islam, C. Christianity, and D. It has no official religion. Yes, today itself we studied this, correct? Yes, what is the correct option, children? Very good. B is the correct option, that is the official religion of Saudi Arabia is Islam. Question number 3. Which of these is an important pilgrim center for Muslims? Yes, I can see smile on your face. Tell me which is the correct answer, children. Yes, first you have to read the options. Let's read. A. Riyadh, B. Mecca, C. Jeddah, and D. all of these. Very good. Option B is the correct one. Okay. So, Mecca is an important pilgrim center for Muslims. Question 4. Saudi Arabia lies partly in the tropical zone and partly in the temperate zone. Its climate can best be described as. So, what's the climate of Saudi Arabia? Let's read the options. A. Tropical, that is hot and wet. B. Temperate, neither very hot nor very cold. C. Hot and dry. And D. Cold and dry. Yes, children, it is, that is Saudi Arabia is a desert. So, how is the climate there? Absolutely correct. Very good. The climate is hot and dry. Clear? Next question. The capital of Saudi Arabia is dash. Let's read the options. A. Jeddah, B. Medina, C. Nuuk, and D. Riyadh. So tell me, children, what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Do you remember in the first session of this chapter we studied? Very good. Option D is the correct answer. That is, Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Okay. Children, that's it with our today's session. Do read the chapter, and till then, do take care of yourself. Goodbye.